Good day from the office of the Mob Justice Football. Here comes your advocate. Here comes your advocate. Advocate Ndei War. It's a pre-season for most of the team as we are waiting for the season to open in August. Then the question might be, what do we do from here as the supporters of these beautiful clubs and going to the stadium each and every week? The best that you can do is to rest, take a vacation, spend more time with your family. But I'm not there for that. As we have plugged you on the previous video about the seasonal tickets, now what's come after is the transportation. True. How do I go to the stadium? Which one is the best mode for me to go to the stadium? Advocate, how do you manage to do so? That's where the supporter structure come to the party. Supporter structure are well-structured branches of a team that usually gather, travel, and make sure that they enjoy together. There is a number of branches that one can be able to join so that they can be able to travel to all or some of Orlando Pirates Football Club games, more particularly in a home games. That's where you can be able to travel with those branches. These structures are formulated from the regional level, which are branches, then goes to the provincial one, and then it escalates and escalates to a national level. But I will deliberate about Orlando Pirates Football Club because I have, is it 2 seasons or a season? I think it's 2 seasons traveling with a branch of Orlando Pirates. These branches has a committee. Those committee from chairman to the welfare members are responsible for day-to-day running of the branch, which to me is not that really hectic. But now with an involving technology, with the involving endless trip, that's where those committees will come into the party, make sure that there is meeting, there is election, and anniversary are celebrated at that particular branches. Those branches are very old. Some are turning 40, some are turning 20, some are even turning 5, depending on the longevity of that particular branch. So you are a member, you want to join these branches. Some joining is free, but where I belong, joining fee it's 120. That 120 gives you access to the official WhatsApp of the branch, which they will be able to share any imaging and any story that is related to Orlando Pirates Football Club. There are some rules there so that members don't get annoyed by a lot of posts and members receive an accurate information with that regards. It also assists with making a stadium trip list where members raise their hands and then they are put into that particular list. There's variety of benefits that you can get by joining a branch. Number 1, a close associate. It's like you have a family that is very closely to you because you communicate in a daily basis about anything that concerning Orlando Pirates Football Club. Should there be a bereavement in a branch, branches usually collect something, go and make sure that they bid their farewell to their loved ones with the respect. It doesn't end there. The branch extends its invitation to the provincial structure where all the branches will be inviting. You will be shocked when you wake up as a deceased to find a number of people that you have never met. This family is so huge and these people support each other. Should you get married or any other support such as you are hospitalized, branch members will contribute and make sure that they come and visit you in a regularly and celebrate with you when you are celebrating a new love at the family or a new family it's merging. Usually when we travel at a very low cost. For example, myself from Greater Midrand, I travel with 100 Rand to Orlando, travel with 100 Rand to Loftus. But if you can use a public transport or you use a private, you will know that the costs that are incurred are a bit steep compared to those ones of a branch. Those that they celebrate or they enjoy themselves with some BEV, some percentages, they got an opportunity to drink in one stable place where a driver will be sober as soon as possible, and they arrived on time. The parking fare, it's not even on your side, it's on the driver, so you tend to cut a lot of cost. So that's why I'm also urging number of branch members to join a branch so that you have a sense of belonging within that particular places. Let me just highlight the price range. I won't deliberate on Greater Midrand or Bichekas, Olifants, and those that are near to me. To go to Orlando, it's 100 Rand a member. Once you join, you are called a member. But once you have not yet joined, you are called a non-member. You're still a member, but a non-member. To go to Mbombela, it's 450. To go to Polokwane, it's 450. To go to Durban, it's 750. To go to PE, it's 1,100. To go to Cape Town, it's 1,200 Rand. All those fees are a return fee. So you can tend to calculate how much do you spend from there. What to avoid from the branches? You must avoid datings. That's number one. Number two, you must avoid branch politics. Number three, you must avoid groups so that you can be a member in good standing. What did I left? Okay, let me just name some of the few branches that are active from Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates got a number of branches across the country. Soshanguve branch, Greater Amanskraal branch, Nigel branch, Deep Slot branch, Olivenhout Boch branch. I know Pretoria Central branch. There is Joburg branch as well. There is Springs, there's Delmas in Mpumalanga, there is Emalahleni extension, there is Bakerton, there is Nigel branch, there is, I must not forget my neighboring branches, Bichegas, we got Olifantsfontein, Greater Midrand, what else? Alex branch, it's zone 7 branch as well, a number of them. So should you need to join those branches, I do advise you to join the branches so that you become part of the bigger family and you are a true pirate. So during this off season, let's use it to join the branches. Should you need to join Greater Midrand branch, feel free to text us. I'll be able to forward you to the relevant people. Since I'm not part of the committee, I'm just a member in good standing. Dango.